Hey, all of you beautiful souls. You know, the whole idea behind relaxation while you listen to subliminals is because of the nature of the subconscious mind, right? It's more receptible when it's relaxed. I have read mind boggling comments of people who listen to subliminals while they're asleep. It's absolutely amazing, right? Now, for a lot of you like me, I'm a very light sleeper. I actually listen to music in my ears or in these ears while I'm asleep, right? And one way, though, we can achieve this, and I don't do this in the current subliminals that I make because I don't want people falling asleep, and this is called a theta wave. This is connected to REM or REM sleep, the deepest sleep that you go into at night while you're asleep, right? It's also considered the suggestive, right? For all of you auto-suggestive people, it's also considered the suggestive frequency of the brain, also when we want to change things or when we want to have more efficient results from what we're trying or wanting, to manifest in our realities. Now, like I said, I don't include this in the subliminals. I know a lot of you are playing League or Fortnite or whatever video games people play nowadays, or listening to Netflix or watching Amazon Prime's Lord of the Rings. a little sarcasm. So the theta wave you can pull open in another tab while you listen to your subliminals. And make sure you're laying down, or I recommend laying down or sitting down and getting comfortable. And you can even close your eyes, right? And just relax and breathe in air and actually allow the air just to mix with the subliminal, right? And the theta wave, actually feel it, right? Literally, right? And this is for something that all souls, guys or girls, is not important. All souls can master. It's just feeling, right? Just literally feel the theta wave wash over your entire being. Feel it just soothe the mind, and you will achieve much more efficient results, especially if you're a light sleeper. I appreciate all of you so much. Have a beautiful day.